Welcome to my tutorial on being able to understand the internal angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees and using that fact to work out missing angles. So here we've got triangle and we know our rule that internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So here I can write to demonstrate that A add B add C must all total 180 degrees. That's the rule that you must remember. So now we're going to use this, apply it to answer these two questions here. The first one, you've got a triangle and we've got two angles out of the three given to us. We need to work out that missing angle X. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to work out how much these two add up to together. So the first thing I'd write down is 40 add 90 is going to give me 130 degrees. I now know that whatever I have to add a number to 130 to take me to 180. Now reversing that, we can say if we start with 180 and take away what we already know, that's going to leave us with the missing angle X. 180 take away 130 leaves me with 50 degrees, so I write down X equals 50 degrees. If you're asked for a reason, you must say that it's because the internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. For example 2 there, we've got a very specific triangle. These little dashes here tell you that that's an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle, the definition of it is that two sides are equal and the base angles there will be equal as well. So we know that Y and Z will be the same. So what we do first of all, we're going to work out what Y and Z together would equal. So we know that the internal angles add up to 180. So we do 180, take away the angle we know, which is 30, which leaves us with 150 degrees. So we know that Y and Z together total 150 degrees. But because it's an isosceles triangle, we know that they're the same. So all we need to do to finish this off is to do 150 and divide that by 2 to give me my answer of 75 degrees. Each of those Y and Z will be 75 degrees. Add them together, you get the missing angle of 150, which we've already worked out is the missing angle after we've worked out the 30. So our answer becomes Y equals 75 degrees and Z equals 75 degrees.